Hello traders, in this video I am reviewing an EA called the AI King EA, and before we get into it, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now this EA is available for both MT4 and MT5, and we can see that it's developed by Indra Maulana. Okay, straight away we obviously you can see that the EA is, one of the more expensive EAs out there, priced at over $11,000, precisely 11,700 US dollars, which already puts it in a very different category compared to most systems. Okay, from the description, it is marketed as a fully AI driven trading system. You can see produced 100% by artificial intelligence, right? With the world's most advanced technology. The developer also emphasizes that it avoids martingale, hedging, and grid strategies, right? Which suggests that it is designed to operate with controlled risk per trade rather than recovery based methods. It's also said to adapt across multiple pairs and time frames, which implies a multi-strategy or adaptive logic system, something that we'll get a clearer picture of during backtesting. Now, let's just break down how this EA is structured. First, the AI-driven decision engine. So this EA is designed to process a large number of inputs, indicators, patterns, and historical data to determine when to enter and exit trades. The idea here is that instead of relying on a single strategy, it uses a combination of multiple strategies simultaneously. The advantage is adaptability. It can potentially adjust to different market conditions, but the limitation is transparency. Since the logic is complex and not fully disclosed, it's harder to predict exactly how it will behave in specific situations. Okay, now let's talk about the non-martingale, non-hedging approach, right? This is important. It means that each trade is treated independently with its own stop loss and take profit. So risk is defined upfront, and there is no stacking or recovery system to increase exposure. That's a strong point in terms of risk control. Another key element is the dynamic take profit and stop loss system. Okay, so instead of fixed values, the EA determines stop loss and take profit levels based on its internal logic. All right, this allows it to adapt to market volatility, trade structure, unexpected movement, right? So the benefit is flexibility, but it also means results can vary significantly depending on how the AI interprets the market. There's also risk-based lot sizing, where trade size adjusts based on account balance and defined risk percentage. Okay, so this helps maintain consistency across different account sizes. And finally, features like the trailing stop, and break even are built in, allowing the EA to lock in profits as trades move in the right direction. Okay, so we can see that the minimum tested capital is 100 US dollars, minimum tested leverage is 1:30, and the recommended pairs are Euro USD, GBP USD, Euro GBP, NZD USD, AUD USD, USD CHF. Best time frames M30, H1, H4. So we are just going to go over to the strategy tester right now to see how this EA behaves in real conditions. Okay, so we're going to be testing the AI King on the Euro USD currency pair, and we're going to be using the H4 time frame. So let's just select the AI King and EURUSD H4 time frame. Okay, we are testing from the start of the year to capture both trending and ranging market conditions. So let us start the test. Okay, so the EA is already actively hunting for opportunities. We can see a few trades have already been executed. All right. So we can also see here that the EA entered the trade after a period of consolidation, right? Followed by a push in one direction. So already it looks like the system is reacting to momentum or breakout type behavior, even though the exact logic isn't explicitly defined. Now let's just continue. Okay, so we we can observe that out of all the trades that have been taken so far, the EA is able to hold trades for not too long, but not too short either, right? And it's capturing short moves. We can see entry, exit, entry, exit, entry, exit. So you can see that the targets are usually short targets. It's not exactly swing trades. It seems like it's short-term trades. Okay. So we are going to be heading over to the results now so that we can see how the EA performed over the period of 3 months and 3 weeks plus. We had an initial deposit of 3,000 US dollars. Net profit is minus $67.23. Okay. There were just 7 total trades. Short trades were 4, 75% win rate. Long trades were 3, 66.67% win rate. Now remember that these are just historical backtest results, okay, not guaranteed future results. And we only tested it on one time frame. Okay, so feel free to test the EA on your best time frame or across multiple time frames to get the best performing time frame. Remember that an EA could actually perform better on a time frame compared to others, right? So the EA shows a mix of controlled losses and some good trades as well, which is typical of structured risk systems, right? But your performance will vary depending on risk settings, lot size, market conditions, and broker execution, among others. And because this EA uses adaptive logic, results can also vary depending on how the system interprets different market phases. As always, I would recommend testing this on a demo account and optimizing settings before using it in a live environment. Overall, the AI King EA is an adaptive trading system that aims to combine multiple strategies into one. What stands out is its risk controlled structure and dynamic trade management. And it performs best in clear market conditions with strong direction. And like most systems, it struggles in choppy or unpredictable markets. Given its complexity and pricing, this is definitely not a beginner level EA. It requires testing, understanding, and proper risk management. But if you are looking for a system that adapts rather than follows a single fixed strategy, you might want to continue. You might want to consider exploring this carefully. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.